Here's how to permanently delete X account. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can delete an X account permanently. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First of all, go to X. Here, as you can see, your profile icon. Just press on your profile icon and you will be able to see all these options. Just go to settings and support. Once you press on settings and support, you'll be able to see settings and privacy. Go ahead and press on that. And here it will bring up another page and you'll be able to see your account option. Just press on it. And here you'll see 4 options. In the end, you'll see deactivate your account. Just press deactivate your account. And here, just scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see this red icon saying deactivate. Just press on it. And here, just press your password and you'll be able to deactivate your account. So what deactivation will do, it will deactivate your account for 30 days. And you will be able to reactivate your account in this time period. But if you don't, your account will be gone permanently. And yeah, so you can bring it back after 30 days time period. And that's basically it. And that's how you can permanently delete an X account. And that's it for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And until then, goodbye.